Bathroom, kitchen and laundry renovations, Melbourne, Victoria. Established in 2013, Precise Bathrooms are professional builders that also manage admin and construction. Specialising in high-quality bathroom, kitchen and laundry renovations, this professional service breaks the tradie stereotype. As a recommended VIC waterproofing installer, Precise Bathrooms has an outstanding reputation and 5-star Google rating. The business services a large and affluent area that includes Toorak, South Yarra, Fitzroy and the Bayside suburbs. The package includes a sign-written Mercedes-Benz Vito with a custom fit-out for tools, plus a custom tandem trailer. This is perfect for someone seeking their own business without the expense and time-consuming setup process. There is huge potential to expand further into kitchens, on-trend steam shower installations and bathroom products, as well as the option to provide class-leading VIC waterproofing services to other builders big and small.